5 financial habits ng mga taong may natitira. Ito ang ginagawa ng mga financially smart people. Same sweldo, same bills, pero bakit sila laging may natitira? Ito ang 5 habits nila. Number 1, merong pay yourself first rule. Pagdating ng sahod, may automatic ipon at investments agad, kahit maliit. Number 2, may spending limit per category. Food, shopping, transportation, may hangganan, hindi sila bara-bara. Number 3, they track their expenses kahit simple lang. Notebook man or application, alam nila saan napupunta ang pera nila. Number 4, they delay gratification. Hindi lahat ng gusto bibili ngayon. May hindi muna para sa mas malaking goal. Number 5, may system sila, hindi lang puro motivation. Kahit hindi sila motivated or ganado mag-ipon, may routine sila sa budget at savings. Real talk, hindi magic ang may natitira. Habit at tamang sistema lang yan. Kung gusto mo ng step-by-step financial literacy at system na tinuturo namin, IMG can help you learn and apply it properly. Comment #ipon below to know more about our financial literacy campaign. Retire early, live free, kayang-kaya basta may tamang gabay.